Assalamu alaikum, wash at ke Allah. Assalamu alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you all are fine, good, cool, and adventure. So guys, if you guys are new here, so please subscribe this channel right now for getting my more videos, and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can also follow me on my Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description, and you guys can find my Instagram here also. Okay, the name is coming here. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you a beautiful style of tying turban, Balochi turban, Balochi Pagg, that you guys can see right now, the black and white contrast, and it's looking amazing because I'm wearing white shoes. Okay, so guys, in this tutorial you guys are gonna learn that what's wrong with my speaking. So guys, let us start this video right now. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have, then give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below to let me know. And you guys can also send me new ideas on my Instagram. So Allah Hafiz till my next video. I want to show you guys, before you go, let me show you one thing. I want to show you the outfit and how Balochi Pagg looks on headshot, because the contrast is black and white that I'm wearing right now, you guys can see here, and it's looking amazing on Pagg. I had took just some of the pictures, those I'm gonna include on my Instagram, so meet me there.